Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a nighttime cleaning routine. This is pretty much what I do almost every night, but some nights I'm just too lazy to do it, but that means that I will have to do it in the morning. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more cleaning videos like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My nighttime cleaning routine usually starts around 6 or 7 p.m. in the kitchen. First I will put away clean dishes and then wash the ones from dinner. I will also put away leftovers if I have any. Now I will move to my kitchen table. We usually eat in the living room, and yes, I know it's a bad habit, and our kitchen table is always full of random stuff, so I'll just clean it up. done with the table, I will just go ahead and put away the dishes I washed before and then wash the rest of them. After that, I will clean the stove and the kitchen tiles. At the end, I will wipe down the counters and then the cabinets. I don't do much in my bathroom in the evening, so I will just clean the sink and the toilet. I will go upstairs to tidy up my living room. I don't have a lot to do here, I will just pick up some stuff that doesn't belong on the coffee table and wipe it down. The last thing I'm going to do is sweep and then mop the kitchen. And that's all I do for my evening cleaning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe before you go. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!